Evaluate the DTFT of the signal where the signal is given x of n equal to 1 divided by 2 power n u of n minus 4. This is the given signal. For this signal, we have to find DTFT by using properties. By using properties of DTFT. Okay. Now, very simple. First, I am going to rewrite the given signal as x of n is equal to. So, by seeing this one, we can say that straightly we can say that shifting operation is performed on the step signal. U of n is a step signal. U of n minus 4 indicates that the step signal U of n is shifted towards right side by 4 samples, or we can say that it is delayed by 4 samples. Step signal is delayed by 4 samples. So shifting operation is there. Which kind of shifting operation? Time shifting operation is there. So I am going to write this 1 by 2 power term n is there. I am going to rearrange in such a way that the power term should be n minus 4. Like that I am going to write. So for that 1 by 2 to the power term n minus 4. This plus I am going to what here? I am going to add 4 and subtract 4. Nothing but there is no change in the answer. For 1 by 2 to the power n is there, no? For the power term n, I am going to add 4 and subtract 4. So here I subtracted 4, left with what? Add. Add means like this 4. Or we can say here 1 by 2 to the power n. So this one 1 by 2 to the power n minus 4 plus 4. This is nothing but what? N by 2, sorry, 1 by 2 to the power n minus 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 4. So likewise we can write, correct? Same thing I written here, multiplied by u of n minus 4. Multiplied by u of n minus 4. Hence, okay, in the previous example we discussed. So I am going to rearrange this term, that is here x of n equal to, this is constant, I will write outside 1 by 2 to the power term 4 into 1 by 2 power term n minus 4 into u of n minus 4. Okay, matching is there. There is a matching of shifting operation. Okay, now in the previous example we discussed that a to the power n u of n. For this, if you calculate DTFT, then we are getting 1 divided by 1 minus a e to the power minus j omega. This one we discussed. But here shifting operation is performed. So let us make use of a time shift property of DTFT. Time shift property of DTFT. So let us make use of statement of this property. What this property says, x of n minus n naught time shifted of x of n by n naught samples. Then if we calculate DTFT for that, what we are getting, e to the power minus j omega n naught multiplied by x of omega. This is the statement of time shift property. Now first I will calculate this one, nothing but 1 by 2 to the power n u of n. If I calculate DTFT for this, that is using this one, using this equation, we can write 1 divided by here a equal to what? 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 e to the power minus j omega. Fine. But here, observe here, we have 1 by 2 to the power n minus 4 is there. U of n minus 4 is there. So shifting time n is shifted by 4 samples. So for that, hence here we can write 1 by 2 to the power n minus 4 u of n minus 4. Nothing but let us make use of this one. Nothing but x. This is what? This is x of omega. So multiplied by what? E to the power minus j omega n naught. N naught means what? Here n naught equal to how much? Here n naught equal to what? N naught equal to how much? 4. Hence we can write, let us make use of DTFT for this. E to the power minus j omega n naught. N naught means 4 and multiplied by x of omega. This is x of omega. X of omega is this much, 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 e to the power minus j omega. Hence what we got, x of omega is equal to e to the power minus j 4 omega divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 e to the power minus j omega. Okay. Likewise, we have to calculate dt of t for the given sequence by using properties of dt of t.